Y'all, before this video even gets started, if you are not already subscribed, make sure you please hit that subscribe button down below. It's almost 2019 and I'm this close to 1,000 subscribers. So y'all, everybody, I want everybody watching this video to smack the subscription button down below. It will be truly appreciated. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
The producer.
You guys can clearly see I'm trying to do something new, something fabulous. You know, I gotta like bougie for my bougie people. So what is up, Africana fans?
What's up, sis? Even though I'm not African.
Another banger, as you guys can see. My ears are clearly banging right now because they
banging, sis.
So today I'll be doing a nice full warm tone makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I'll be going into my Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette in the color Morocco, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. And I always use this as my transition shade. I don't know, I just love warm transition shades. So I'll be using a big fluffy brush to pretty much buff out my transition shade on top of my crease. Then I'll be going in the color Jezebel and applying that into my crease just to deepen up my crease and to intensify the depth. And I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills small buffer brush, and I'm just going in windshield wiper motions with the color just so I can intensify the depth of the color. Then going back in with Morocco, I'm going to intensify the transition shade because I feel like I lost a little bit of the color, so I'm just going back inside so the color can be recovered. Now you guys, this is where the fun happens. So I'm taking my NYX white eyeshadow base and I'm using this small flat oval brush to cut out my crease so we could add a little, you know, pizzazz to this eyeshadow. You want our eyeshadow to make you stop it. So with this, it takes a lot of time, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Please be cautious because having a messed up crease will ruin your day.
It will ruin my day, so I'm gonna take my time. I'm like,
I'm gonna take my time, do it right, you can do it, danger. Do it tonight, baby, you can do it, take your time.
Then dipping into the same palette, oh, you guys, I love this palette. It's bomb. It's so pigmented and everything. I'll be dipping into the color Zuri, which is like a nice champagne gold, and applying that where I put my cut crease at. And then I'm going to use my bigger oval brush and my Mario Badescu spray just to intensify that color. Then I'll be using the color Iman and then spraying again with my Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I'll be applying that on my tear ducts just so you know you can be shining like a diamond from afar, you guys. Then I'll be going back in with the color Jezebel just to intensify that crease because I feel like I lost it after I had put the cut crease, and then going back in with Morocco just to intensify that transition colors. We all want those colors to pop, so we gotta reapply them to make them pop. Then I'll be going in with my Inglot liquid liner in the color 25 just to make a nice cute wing. Then I'll be using this Essence brand mascara, and I kid you not, guys, this is like the best mascara for you to use like on a budget. Like, this is some bomb mascara, and I got it from Ulta, and it was like. Then I'll be spraying my face with this Urban Decay pretty much like pre-setting spray. So this is the spray that you put in your face before you put on foundation. Then I'll be going in with my Urban Decay De-Slick primer, and I'll be applying it all over my face because this mattifies my face to the T, you guys. Like, I love this primer. Get you this primer. Even though it was $40, it was worth it. And we're just gonna let that primer dry until like it gets tacky, so whatever you put on afterwards, it will stick on our face for the longest. And then I'll be going in with my LA Girls concealer and the orange corrector just to correct any dark marks that I feel like will seep through my foundation. Now for this part, I always use my fingers just because your fingers provide warmth and it makes the luminous foundation in the color Cartoon, and I'll be applying that all over my face as little dots and stuff. And then I'll be using my Morphe M439 brush to buff out the foundation. Then I'll be taking my Morphe E8 brush to go inside the creases and crevices where I couldn't reach with my big buffer brush. And this is essential when you want to have a flawless finish and make sure that there are no patchy spots on your face. Now I know you guys are tired of me using concealer, but I just can't. Like, this concealer is really shit. Excuse my language. So right now I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Rich. My bitch color filming. And I'll be applying that all over my T-zone, which is my under my eyes, my mustache, and my bridge of the nose and my forehead as well. Then taking my Mario Badescu Rose Water and my Real Techniques, I'm just gonna dampen my beauty blender and just dab out or blend out, or whatever you want to call it, blend out my concealer so it can be nice and, you know, smooth. It can be nice and smooth. I couldn't think of any other word. I'm sorry. My mind is drained. It's a nice, beautiful Sunday and it's raining and I'm tired. So yes, I sound a little bit down right now, but don't worry. The bad bitch is in full effect later on in the next video, okay? Then I'll be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'll be applying that wherever I put my concealer at. So wherever you highlight it, you're gonna set that with your powder. And I'll be using my Real Techniques to apply that powder on my face as well. Then I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place blush palette in the color Abby, and I'll be applying that as like my bronzer slash contour. And I'll just be applying that to chisel my features, you know, make sure we gotta be cut. Then back to the Laura Mercier and my Real Techniques, I'll be using the bottom part of my beauty blender to carve out my cheekbones. Then I'll be wiping that off and applying my pressed powder, and it's from Bare Minerals and it's in the color Cocoa, and I'll be using my pressed powder just to finish my look and to make everything look smooth as well. Then I'll be taking my Wet n Wild black eyeliner and I'll be lining my waterline. Now using a small pencil brush, I'll be using Jezebel and to blend out my eyeliner, and then I'll be going in with Chad and I'll be using that black to intensify my waterline as well. Now using my mascara, I'll be applying it on my lower lashes just so my lower lashes can pop. Now I'll be using my Urban Decay All Nighter spray to set my face. Then I'll be using my Artist Couture. You guys already know, this is my holy grail highlighter. I'll be using my Artist Couture loose highlighter in the color Conceited, and I'll apply that on the bridge of my nose, the button of my nose, and also on top of the apples of my cheeks. And then also my cupid's bow as well. You know, I'm trying to shine, y'all. I'm trying to shine. Then I'll be going in with my dark brown Wet n Wild pencil to line my lips, because you know I'm trying to be juicy, feel me? Now let me stop. So I'll be using that to line my lips, and then on top of that I'll be using my NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper. Now to complete the look and to solidify it, I'm going to be using my LA Colors Ultra Lip Shine in this pinkish nudish color, and then I'll be going in with my Sephora Nude Lip Gloss in the color 4. And you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I look very ravishing indeed. I'm over here feeling myself.
So y'all, that wraps this look up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys saw everything that I did. Well, really that Miss Young Africana did. Her name is Vivian, by the way. I really hope you guys enjoyed her tutorial. I hope you guys go to her YouTube and subscribe to her channel and things like that. Make sure you interact with her. Make sure you interact with me, and it'll be greatly appreciated. Like I said, if you haven't already, hit that subscription button down below. I'm almost at 1,000, y'all. Let's end 2018 with 1,000 subscribers. I'm this close. If I get to 1,000 subscribers before 2019, before January 1st, so 12 a.m. January 1st, if I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will have a very special giveaway to do to all of my 1,000 subscribers. So this time I think I'm gonna do like makeup. So who doesn't like makeup? I'll wait. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a makeup giveaway this time. So y'all be a part of the game. Let's reach this goal. We're almost there. Let's do it. Like, why not? I will see you guys in my next video. As always, I love you, and I will see you in my next. So until then, peace.
I don't really want no food.
Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me. Told